Why do you need chocolate wrapping machine? A chocolate wrapping machine is equipment that you can use in packaging different types of candies and chocolates. With the dynamism in chocolate packaging, you need reliable, high-quality, and efficient chocolate wrapping equipment. When it comes to chocolate wrapping, Ammar Machinery is a premium supplier of chocolate wrapping machines for all types of bars, tablets, and Napolitans. Our chocolate labeling machines and chocolate wrapping machines are a byword for innovative engineering and top performance. Whether cardboard or aluminum, and whether hermetically wrapped or sealed for your ultimate convenience, where almost any kind of packaging can be done. Our chocolate packaging machines and chocolate wrapping machines handle your chocolate products with the greatest care at every single stage of the process. The items are wrapped as required in either 1, 2, or 3 packaging materials. Ammar Machinery range further covers all commercial sizes. Why you need a chocolate wrapping machine? You need a chocolate wrapping machine to assist you in the following functions: increasing the efficiency and accuracy of wrapping chocolates, increasing the production output of chocolate production, reducing the time you spend wrapping a chocolate using manual wrapping machines, improving the hygiene of the chocolate wrapping as automatic machines cause minimal contaminations, decorating the chocolate wrappers and improving the aesthetic value for better sales, reducing the employees' number in the production line as most functions are automatic. Considering that in the long run, chocolate wrapping machines boost chocolate production and maximize profits, you will save on the production cost, making it must-have equipment in the chocolate production line. What are the most common ways of chocolate wrapping? Some of the most basic ways of wrapping chocolate include foil wrapping. The machine here wraps aluminum or paper around the chocolate without a heat seal. It is a wrapping method you can employ when you think there's a danger of heat destroying the chocolate. Fold wrapping. It involves wrapping cylindrical chocolates and heat sealing the ends of the seal. In such a case, you will use a heat-sealable film like polypropylene. Twist wrapping. This involves twisting the ends of the chocolate wrapper to seal it. Here there's a use of stiff film and cellophane that will produce a crackling sound whenever you unwrap the chocolate. Pleat wrapping. The process involves the formation of pleats around the chocolate, and then using a label to seal the wrap. You can use this wrap to wrap circular or non-rectangular chocolate products. Foil and band wrapping. This involves wrapping the chocolate around an aluminum foil first, then wrapping a piece of paper around the aluminum foil. The choice of chocolate wrapping style will largely depend on the chocolate type you intend to pack. Types of chocolate wrapping machines: chocolate coil wrapping machine, chocolate foil wrapping machine, chocolate fold wrapping machine, chocolate bar wrapping machine. Buying a reliable chocolate wrapping machine and incorporating it into the chocolate production line will ensure you reap the maximum sale and profit. The machine will add a lot of value to the product package.